hello to our friends and family out there in YouTube world. It's David and Jen with David Christopher's, and we are back today to do another Fall in 5, right?
That's the goal.
So David's going to show you how to make a wreath, and it might take you a little bit longer than 5 minutes to make it, but we're only going to take 5 minutes to show you how to make it, right?
Right.
What all are you going to be using in this wreath?
So we've got some beautiful fall maple leaves that have this kind of burgundy green cream combination. And then I have some plum amaranthus stems and rose hips in green. And then we've got our fern spray in this green kind of brown burgundy shade. And then we're going to use a whole bunch of these green pumpkin gourd mixes.
So they come in a bag like this when you order them. Remember that all the products that we're showing you today can be found at davidchristopher's.com. We sell wholesale and we sell retail, so you can find everything that we're using there. And I'll also drop a link in the description box that'll take you straight to just the things that you're seeing in today's video, as well as I'll detail those out for you so you can find them easily.
First thing we're going to do is I'm going to separate some of my fern leaves so we can add them into our wreath all the way around. "18" grapevine wreath, glue pan with glue. I'm going to add just a little glue as we go into our wreath so that it stays together well. Next, I'm going to use these maple leaves that have been hand wrapped together, and if I just apply a little pressure, I can pull these apart into individual stems. Now I'm going to separate this plum amaranthus into 2 pieces so I have a little more to use. Now I'm going to take our gourds and pumpkins and some stems from previous year's sticks that I have cut things off of. I'm going to dip a little bit in the glue, and these are styrofoam gourds and pumpkins, so I'm going to glue that stem up in there. I'm going to bend my stem with a little hook so that when I glue it into my wreath, it's going to stay in. fill in with a little bit of our maple leaf inside, where I've got some gaps from my pumpkins. Having filled in with our maple leaf, I'm now ready to use my rosehip, which I am cutting into 2 separate pieces so that it goes a little further.
Ta-da! You did it.
I did it.
Another beautiful wreath. And we are so grateful that you joined us today. And I have to, at some point, interject. The reason I look like I look in my clothing is I have been to physical therapy today and trying to get my back issues in shape. So I did not bring another change of clothes today. So I was like, I'm just going to have to look like this. Sorry. And David looks all nice in his collared shirt.
I found this in my office. So put it on over my t-shirt.
We're kind of winging it. David's been pulling double duty in our shipping department, trying to get things shipped out. And so we're just running in a lot of different directions. But we appreciate you being with us today. Remember to check us out at davidchristopher's.com and leave us a comment. Let us know if you have any questions and let us know how you like the wreath and if you decided to make your